Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Sharon Petty. You can call me Sha. So in this video today, I just wanted to show you a simple look. I'm going out for lunch with my friends and I just wanted to do something with you guys. It was supposed to be a chit chat get it with me, but there was so much noise in the background, so I didn't speak through the video. So there's some bits and pieces where I was telling you guys why I'm doing something on this video, but yeah, next time I will try to get a mic and we will have a chit chat while I get ready, and you will know who I'm going out with. So yeah, I go for neutral colors on my channel, and I was like, okay, let me do something different with color so that you can be ready for spring. And I'll make sure I upload as many videos as I can so that you guys are set for September. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So guys, I'm using this Pond's Pimple Clear to just prep my face. I actually use the washing one as well, because I am struggling with dark spots and I want them to go away. They do go away naturally, but I want them to go away sooner. So for my eyebrows, I am just going to brush them upwards. I want them to be very, very dramatic, unlike the way I normally do it. I want them to leave a lot of space in between my eye, because I do have a very big eye. And I'm gonna set this eyebrows with the yardley translucent powder first. This helps the brow to stay in shape because my hair naturally curls back all the time, so I try to make them set and stay put or in that shape until like 16 hours or so. So this actually helps the brows and sweat as well. It's actually sweat proof. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Deep, do you call it deep brow or filling brow? It's in the shade chocolate. It's actually very close to my brow color. That's what I'm going to use, and I'm just going to follow the shape that I've already put this hairs in, and I'm just going to fill in everywhere. My boy, I've been looking for you out of the ends. It's a real thing, me not pretend. Steady whip around town in a Benz, oh boy. Say you must have married me. You go love me. You go killing me, baby. You go follow me. You are my remedy. You my melody. The baby now harmony. You go giving me. So are you looking for a sister? Show my love. She gets it dollar. She the way designer. Are you looking for a sister? Oh, my lover. So to clean up my brow, I'm going to use the MAC concealer. I think this is Nw40, and I'm just going to shape to make them very, very precise. Like I said, I want them to be like high arced so that you guys can see them. I don't normally do this, but for bright colors and all those looks that are dramatic, I prefer them having a high arc. So once I have put the concealer in place, I'm just going to blend. Guys, don't forget to blend. Don't forget to blend. Just blend until you see that the product is smooth and it's even and there are no patches, because honestly these patches are just going to affect your foundation, your eyeshadow. Everything that comes after this is going to be affected by your patches. So make sure you blend it out and make the ends to be very, very smooth. Wherever you stopped blending, we are not gonna tell, like if you blend properly. But if you stop blending in between somewhere, when your foundation comes on top, sometimes it does show because it's uneven and it's like two-step. There's like a product beneath that we can still see, although we can't tell what it is, but we can still see it. So blending is key to everything, perfection, everything smooth and all that. Okay, I feel like it looks okay. I even came close for you guys. Imagine. Just because I wanted you guys to see how the blending affects your brow and how smooth your eye becomes. Or maybe some of you guys have like very smooth skin. My skin is not that smooth. It's smooth, but it's not that smooth. So I have to blend products in order for my finish to be very, very smooth. So yeah, there goes my brow, and I tried something today. I hope you guys saw that editing. I was trying to bring something new, And now I'm using the MAC Paint Pot in Stormy Pink. This is just an eyeshadow base. Sometimes you guys see me using a concealer, and then I'm just going to jump onto the Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take that pink and put it on the outer end of my eye. Then after it blends properly, I'm just going to drag it towards the big, yes, there, I don't know what to call that place, but it's the beginning of the eye, I guess, or the inner part of the eye. And I'm using this Dupe Factory palette. It's called 35p, and it has a lot of purples, so you're gonna see me putting a lot of purples. I actually started with a lighter purple, then from there on I used the darker purple downwards towards the bottom of my eye. Is it the bottom of the lid? Yes, the bottom of the lid. So I'm creating like an illusion that my eye has an arc, or my eye has like some definition.
It's a real thing, me not pretend. Steady whip around town in a Benz, oh boy. Say you must have married me. You go love me. You go killing me, baby. You go follow me.
So now I'm gonna take the Essence Black is Back eyeshadow. It's a single eyeshadow that I got into when I was creating my own eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this on the outer part of my eye, and it creates like the Chinese that Chinese shape eye kind of. So I'm just going to cut my crease, and I think I did explain how cutting of the crease works in my other video. I'll try to link it below, but basically it's you just creating like a shadow of your eye, of your eyeball actually. So sometimes people make it look, exaggerate the part where your eyeball is, but for me today I'm just going to go with the eye shape that I have. Sometimes I do exaggerate it, and sometimes I do minimize it. And after that I'm going to take a pink color from the same Dupe Factory eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to put it on top of that concealer. I didn't set it with powder or anything, I just put the color on top. What I realized with the shimmer color was that it was actually having a lot of fallout. I don't know if I had to spray my brush with MAC Fix Plus, but yeah, it was having a bit of fallout. And I'm going to use the same purple. That's the darkest purple that I used, and I'm just going to pack it there to create like a nice shape on the outer eye. And yeah, you're welcome to do anything with your eyes. You'll see whenever you start practicing, you'll do different things. And for the gel line, I'm using the Inglot, my favorite, number 77. This is the blackest black I've ever seen. This should have just been called the blackest or something like that. Yeah, it's very nice. I love Inglot. It's a bit difficult to wash if you don't have like strong products to rinse off, but for wipes and micellar water, it always works best. I love it.
What would I do without you, my charge? I don't feel this way with anybody. Yeah. Tell me your secrets, I'm not messy. Steady it for me, boy, hold steady.
Okay, so I'm gonna put lashes into my other eye, and then I'll be back, and we can do the rest of the face together, because lashes might take forever. So I've done my eyebrows. So I've done my eyelashes, and I'm wearing some old eyelashes that I have. You know what? Oh wait, I'm gonna put this.
Your time is running out. Your time is running out. Your time is running out.
My marks with this.
So baby, give me assurance. Assurance. So baby, give me assurance.
This is the trick that I do.
Assurance. Now baby, give me assurance. Assurance. Now baby, give me lifetime insurance. Are you there? Baby, are you there? Very this. My boy, I've been looking for you out of the end.
Then I'm gonna take translucent powder. This one. I don't know if it's all right. What I don't like about this is because I have to. I don't like this. I do not like this. Can this people just Estee Lauder? Can you hear me? Can you just put a pump? Because we waste products. Just look at this. Sometimes it's, you see, I don't like this. I don't like it. We love being extra, so we are gonna go extra. The double is very nice. It's very nice. Trust me. This foundation is Jesus. This foundation is beautiful. Just look at that. And then I'm gonna highlight with a curl. Okay, something is not blended yet. That just happened. It's fine, but on the other side. I feel like the Estee Lauder dries very quick. I love it in summer. Actually going out of. I take the other side, the foundation side, and just bring it down a bit because I don't want it to be too much. I think I should set this before I go in there. I've never used this to bake the yardley, but I want to try new products. So. Using the Makeup Revolution in F. Oh, the concealers are C and the foundations are F16. So I'm gonna do a line there. How often do you guys wash your brushes? You know, I wash my brushes like every time I use them. Every time I use them. I'm gonna wash them again after this. And if I wanna film again, I have to clean them and everything. I just don't know how to not clean the brushes. I'm very scared of having like pimples and acne on my face, so always. So I feel like I dragged down the highlighter too much. So I'm trying to make this a bit smaller. See, I feel like it's too down on the side. If you feel like your skeptical on where to highlight, to contour, just smile and then you'll see your cheekbones and you'll see yourself creating the shim. You guys see me get closer. See? Blended. Blended. I always tone down the cheek. So I wanted to be a bit extra. So the nose. This a bit. That color. So, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna quickly change into my outfit and then I'll see you guys. I hope you'll be able to see this outfit in full. I hope so. So I'll try to take pictures of it and then I'll put it on the thumbnail, or I'll just put it after this. But thank you guys for watching. I love you and I'll see you in 5 minutes. So guys, I've dressed up. This is my outfit for the day. I will try to put on a clip, sort of like a picture of my full outfit, but this is how I created this look. I hope you love it and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.